I would say I've been collecting my whole life. I feel like it's in my blood. It's something I've always done. I still have my original collection of Polly Pockets and Tamagotchis. Like, I was a kid of the 80s, and at the time I was collecting contemporary toys, like 90s girl toys. And I don't know what it is about me that makes me have to have like every single thing in that like meticulously organized, just everything in a toy line, but that is who I am. That is something I've always done. And that's led to just various iterations of my collection over the years that I feel like is just like layers of my life. It's fun for me to see that all together. I started to gravitate towards older pieces. I feel like when we first talked, I was doing primarily like 80s, my like lost toy lines, which I still heavily collect and I'm really into. But as my tastes evolve, like my background is in art history and art practice. So I'm very interested in like the history of objects and the way, like the nuances of like what's happening in a society when a particular object is made and how that's reflected in the piece itself, whether that be the materials that are used or like quite literally like what this thing is representing. Like, why did they make G.I. Joes? Why are they making Russian figures? It's very interesting to me to see like the layers of history through objects. And I feel like a really nuanced way to do that is through toys. So since the last time I saw you, like I said, my collection has gotten a lot older. A lot more dolls. I'm collecting a lot more girls' toys, and I feel like the reason for that is just like the thrill of the hunt. Like a lot of the